I'm going to briefly share with you how you can, on your Shopify website, show which variant options are active. So what I mean by that is if you come here, you see when you click on the black option that this specific option, it turns a different color. So you can, it shows that that's the one you clicked. You click on gray and it shows that's the one you click on white, same thing. Sometimes when you hit a website, you go to a website, you click on one of these options, but then nothing changes. So you're not even sure which one you clicked on. And maybe the image doesn't change like it changes here. So now you're not too sure. So I'm going to share with you how you can quickly add this feature to your website to make sure that these options change colors. So what you want to do is when you're on your, go to your admin page. What you want to do is, so today we're going to be working off the craft theme. You can, of course, use your theme. Come click these three dots here, click edit code. Once you hit edit code, you're going to see a page like this. What you want to do now is you want to go to search files like this, and you want to type in product variant like this. We're going to be working in our CSS file. It's going to be this file right here, this component product variant picker.css. Now what you want to do is you want to come down here, and we're going to look for a specific piece of code. Let me see, where is this code? Right here. Product form input pill. Now to check that, let me just make sure, let me do one thing just to check that that's the actual code that we're looking for. So we're going to come in here, product 98, that's the right one. 98, okay, good. That's the code we're looking for. Okay, so this is the code here. Now, if you don't already have this on your website, feel free to copy this code here and actually include that into your CSS file here on your own website. So you would just come type product form, 2 underscores, input dash dash pill, all this right here. And then we're going to work inside this code block right here. So for the background color, it already has some variables inside. All we want to do is we're going to delete this just to show as an example, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in this code here just to change the color to show you. So once you have all this code in here on your website, you're going to come and you're going to type this background color here. Now for this example, you can copy this. I'm just going to show you how it looks. Now you're going to come right under it and you're going to type in the border. We're going to paste in the same color and save that. This is what is going to change the color of each specific active item. So I'm going to save that. So you see on the website how it's currently black. When I refresh this page like this, now you're going to see is this new blue color. I'm going to click on white, and you're going to see again, it's changed color. Click on gray, and again, the color has changed. So that's a quick way of how you can add something like this to your website. All you want to do is you're going to copy this code in here. You're going to put that into your CSS file, and then where it says background color, feel free to change to any color that you like that matches the colors of your store. If you want to use those variables to match the color scheme of your store, feel free to do that as well. But I just wanted to share with you a quick tutorial on how you can show the active variants on your Shopify website. So if you need help with this, I hope this video was helpful, first of all. If you need help with this, if you need help setting this up, feel free to reach out. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to help you out. Feel free to check out our Etsy store as well. Everything from order forms, Shopify templates, thank you cards. The link will be in the description below. But once again, I hope this video was helpful. If you need help, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.